Optimize your landing page for better conversions.
Okay, so the landing page we need to do CRO, which is conversion rate optimization. I'll just list out the changes that is needed to convert. One, there should be some kind of anchoring, which means I'm not asking to reduce prices. So you are selling it at 37.99, have an anchoring price earlier, which is a strikeout price. So make the strikeout price show that you are giving a discount, show that you are selling this at, let's say, 40% discount or 50% discount, something like that. So show the price at the actual price of 72, strike out, and then this is the price. So that is the first thing in landing pages. Second, give as less options as possible. More options, users will get confused, they don't know what to do. Remove the subscription details from here. Whatever subscriptions will happen on the checkout page. There are two CTAs. Decide what you want to do. If you want people directly to buy, don't say add to cart. Add to cart is a passive CTA. Buy with shop, this is again confusing. And plus, I also commented previously about about uh, the color combination. So your color combination should match the product that you're selling. You have the green here. So have the CTA as green. The CTA should say buy now. Add to cart is passive. CTA should be active. Buy now. Okay. Uh, and remove all these distractions, subscription details powered by, like, why do you need this on the landing page? You need people to convert first. Okay. Share button, absolutely no on the product pages or landing pages. You don't want people to, nothing good will come of this. Okay. This is just a waste of space and people will bounce. Key ingredients, if you want to have, that's fine. Yes, I think it's good that you have, but uh, when I'm looking at the mobile version, so like, yeah, this is accordion, this is fine. Key ingredients in mobile, it looks fine. So remove this shoppable video reels. This has got no role on the page. uh, I don't know whether you're trying to show related products here. If you're showing related products, that's a different thing, but like, this is again confusing. Okay. So, I mean, what do you actually want the user to do here? That's something that I can't understand. So, and then subscribe to the emails, remove this. On the product pages, don't have such a big footer with all your details. It is just confusing. People will bounce. They don't care about what company is this, and this is not trust building, this is confusing. So and you don't need to have this free returns of, like, all this can be done on the checkout page. Okay. And there should be a sticky header rather than a footer. I have seen the footer in the mobile version. So when I scroll down, and this is exactly what is happening in mobile, and which is why it is more confusing now, is I scroll down. So above the scroll, there is no CTA. Okay, just pause here, take a breath, hear what I'm saying. There is no CTA in the first, in above the fold. Okay, this is almost a crime. Nothing will happen from this page. Okay, there should be a CTA on the header sticky. It has to be there, otherwise people will bounce. They don't know what to do. Okay, just imagine people as children. They don't know what to do. The CTA is shown as first scroll. Now, this is that like this is what I'm trying to say. This is confusing. Add to cart and buy with shop. Have only one CTA and make it green color, the green which is in the logo, because the color goes with your alternative medicines and alternative products. Okay. Pink is for fashion, blue is for tech, green is a little bit universal, but it goes well with Ayurvedic products. And now see, this is what happens. First, above the fold, first scroll, second scroll. Now here is where the add to cart appears. Footer, and there is no FOMO. There is no FOMO on this page, which means you need to have a counter which says discount expires in such and such time. So the time should be like you can have an evergreen timer, 48 hours is standard, which means for every user the timer will start from 48 hours, and when the user bounces the timer stops there for that user. When the user again comes back, the timer starts from there. That's an evergreen timer. And this shoppable video reels, these are more distracting than they're actually helping any kind of conversion. Subscribe to emails, please don't have this. Footer, don't need on the product page. Okay. Uh, yes, that is pretty much it on the product pages. There are many good themes Shopify gives you for product pages. Try to use them. Shopify is specially for e-commerce, so they will have many product pages, product page themes. If I click on add to cart, checkout, see it's like my internet is not that slow, but this is taking too much time. People will bounce. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say, and this is what is happening. Okay. So you see, so if I uh, and there's normally no point running campaigns if the landing pages do not convert, uh, because it will simply burn budget. Uh, I'm just waiting for this performance issues to load. In the meanwhile, your uh, Like there are just too many distractions on this page. The page should speak only about the product and what the user is getting. So there is one-time purchase and subscribe. Have only one route for the user. Okay. Now see, here we are. Anybody can run this analysis, and this is super important. See the LCP, it is 15 seconds. 15 seconds LCP. FCP is 3.5 seconds. Speed index is 7.9. You know what is happening when you run campaigns? The page doesn't even load and people bounce. It is zero, like uh, we will have zero session time. The pages are too heavy. Okay. So you see this, everything else is fine. These are easy to get or 90 plus, but performance is the main thing. And this is mobile performance. It is 60. It should be 90. The LCP should be less than 4 seconds. The FCP should be in milliseconds. It will automatically come down. So what is happening? You can also use Lighthouse to do this, but you see all these Facebook, social, these, like, if you just cut down all these, there are like, these are slowing down the page. So here you have a 196 KIB savings, and here you have a 180 millisecond savings. Improve image delivery. This is very important. Your images, they are all JPEG. They are all JPEG, PNG, JPEG, PNG. This is not this is not suitable for landing pages. On landing pages, you should use WebP format. WebP or SVG. A WebP is fine. Just convert it into WebP and use it on the landing pages. You don't need to convert each and every image. Shopify has plugins. It just converts all your images on the website. If you Since it's an e-commerce website, it will have 500 or 1000 images. Just take a paid plugin. It will convert all your PNG, JPEG to WebP images. And if you have videos, always use WebM. Okay, so they are much more page friendly. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. This is what I have been saying. So you need to get this performance up to 90, and this is possible. Okay, this is easily possible. Otherwise there is no point running ads. Okay, I think this is it. That's all. Thank you.